Okay, we are here to make a mini pizza. I'm going to take some of this dough, some of this easy dough I made earlier, and make a little mini pizza with it. Or mini pizza, depends on how big it comes out. But nevertheless, it's going to be a pizza. I was going to use a bowl, but I think I'm just going to hand stretch it out until I can get the desired effect. It does not have to be a perfect zero. I mean a perfect circle. But let's see what I can do. Ta-da! So, first thing we're going to do is you can use butter or you can use garlic, liquid garlic. I'm going to use the liquid garlic. That's just going to give it a more flavorful taste. But you could also use butter if you don't have it. You could also use butter with garlic powder to give it a little garlicky taste to it. And we're going to put this in since it's small enough, we're going to put this in the air fryer. And we're going to cook it. And then once that's ready, we're going to put the toppings on, put it back in, and we'll go to step 2. Okay, it's almost ready. We're just going to retop it off with some more garlic. And then we're going to put some delicious toppings on it. Mm-hmm. First thing comes first. Like I said, you can use tomato paste. Ketchup probably wouldn't work so well. Put some tomato. And this is great. Small size for kids, family events. Want to teach the kids how to cook. Give them something to do on a hot summer day or a rainy day and nothing's going on and you can't figure out what I'm gonna do with the kids. This is something you can do. Okay, so we need, everyone does their pizza slightly different. Some people put the cheese on first. Me, I just like to do things different. Mozzarella cheese, doesn't have to be mozzarella. It can be whatever you want to put on it. And I'm going to, where is, oh, here you go. Some onions. Yes, I love onions. If you have any meats you want to put on it, sausage, bacon, knock yourself out. Since I'm such a cheese fan, just a little bit more cheese on here. And we're going to put this in the air fryer again and let it cook, and we will be back. Okay. Here we go again. Oh boy. Where is my spatula? Come here. Look at that. Look at that mini pizza. Does not look just mouth watering. Now I know this is hot and I'm tempted to stick it in my mouth. Notice how the crust is even nicely almost a golden brown. You can't see the pepperonis because I put the cheese on last, so the cheese is all and pepperoni is all covered and melted in together. Let's see what this tastes like. The crust is crunchy. What I was hoping for. This tastes like a pizza. This tastes like a pepperoni pizza, but mini size. See that? Delicious. Now, I could have added more pepperoni, some more cheese. If I had to give it a rating, this is probably close to an 8. This is really good. And again, this is using the easy dough that I made. This is absolutely delicious. I can't explain it any other way than that. Look at that. I can taste the cheese, the pepperoni, the tomato sauce. Now, when I put it in the air fryer, I prepared the crust first because the crust is going to need a little more time. The crust went in for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Then I put the toppings on. You can pretty much put any topping you want to, and the sauce I actually used was tomato sauce. So you can, and it came out well with tomato sauce, so you don't have to go out and buy nothing fancy. And the rest of it, pepperoni, onions, you can use whatever you have in the house. You want to put spinach on it, you can do that too. But this would be a great thing to make for family events, especially if you have grandkids or children. You can set up the dough and use a bowl, as I showed in the video, how to make a circular pizza, which is the easiest way to do it, and make it a family event. You make the dough, they can do it, you can put it in the oven, bake the crust, put the toppings on, and it'd be one. And kids will appreciate it because now they know how to cook it, know how to cook a little bit, and the whole family can make an event out of it. Oh. But it's absolutely delicious. You must try this. Until next time, family. Take care.